What if you could fly? Would you try and touch the sky? Or would you play it safe? On May 9th, Poseidon claimed our drone. But you have a chance to help us take flight once again. With a modest goal of $1,000, we can replace our wrecked system. This time with the experience to avoid Poseidon's grip. If we all give $3, we can be back in the air by this time next week. So what are you waiting for? Click the link to donate. Together we can take flight. Share the gift of flight and subscribe to It Grip Reality on Instagram. Stay safer at home and let us do the flying. Here's to a brighter, healthier, and safer 2020. Go to gofundme.com/Project Drone Replacement to help support this project. Let's take back our sky. #In 2020 we fly.